Just a quick tip for you. Sometimes when you've got a mixer, these things here can actually start crackling. Your volume when you turn it up, and here as well it can start crackling. Right? All you got to do, get some WD-40, yeah, and spray it. Just put some in here. It's a little bit, like that. Put some here. Just a little bit. The volume here as well. And whichever ones that are crackling, just put it in there, square it in, and then twiddle the buttons. I'll turn this one down first, and then twiddle this to get, just twiddle it around to get that in there. Same with here as well. Lift that up as well. But you see it's playing nice now. Before it was crackling, but now it's playing nice. It might come back, but if it does come back with the crackling, just repeat the process. And that's that. It's done. Rate, comment and subscribe.